Hey Spirit Taekwondo family, this is Master Starnes with Spirit Taekwondo, and I have some cool instructors with me. We got Instructor Martinez, and Instructor Nicole Vega, and Instructor Leon Medrano. They're going to be demonstrating for us from a Juchum Sogi, or horse dance, how to do a Ogle Jirigi, or face punch. Ready? Juchum Sogi!
Go!
And notice that the hands are next to the hips, not in front of the hips. And then we're going to start with our left hand, which is probably going to be your right hand. Okay, so left hand, face punch. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. So the hand line goes directly from the waist straight to your center line, right in between your nose and your lip. So it goes a straight path up. With a loud scream. 하나, 둘, 셋. Then you can mix it up. If you wanted to do some drills, you could do 2 in a row. You could do a double punch. You could say take one. Ready? 하나,
Take one.
둘,
Take one.
셋.
Take one.
Chariot.
Yes, sir.
Instructor Vega is going to demonstrate how the punch looks from the side. And she's going to come to the front. Okay, so 나는 희석이 준비. Okay, slowly with the right hand punching towards the face. The elbow stays tight. Once the elbow reaches the hip, then we extend the hand. One more time. Excellent. Last one. So that hand doesn't twist at all until the elbow reaches the hip. Watch. See, the hand is just going forward and then starts to twist. Excellent job. All right, you guys do your best. Enjoy your training. I hope this helps you improve your techniques. And that's it. Spirit fighting!
Go!